Hallo julle, is dagdrukkend hierso, soos gewoonlik. Ons is nou hierso by Lion and Safari Park. Ek wil vir julle sê hoe amazed is ek. Ek het letterlik 4 uur vanoggend opgestaan om hier te wees. Verby Broederstroom gery en nou is ek hier. So waar ons deur 4x4 gaan ry, quadbikes gaan ry, bietjie leeu's gaan vryf en net 'n lekker avontuur hê en ek gaan vir julle elke ding wys wat ek vandag gedoen het en hoekom jy by Lion and Safari Park moet kom draai. Exciting.
This vehicle you can even start it without using the clutch. Accelerate it slowly because if you go too much,
it's going to be
it's
like
gonna
a Ferrari.
bounce. No, there's just power. Bounce.
Okay. So ek net en ek sê dankie aan Grondpad Valleys. Julle het my soos 'n Tom Cruise lady laat voel. Ek het nou nie die valleys aan nie, maar ek het ten minste die grondpad gery, soos julle hier kan sien. Flippin' amazing. As jy nog nooit in jou lewe by Lion and Safari Park was nie, moet jy asseblief 'n draai kom maak. Kry vir jou so grondpad valleys hemp en voel soos 'n Tom Cruise woman. Hi everyone, I'm speaking to.
My name is Terence Tracy.
Hi Terence. So tell me first, who was your best driver?
Oh, my best driver was definitely a lady by the name of Dominique. Do you know why?
Tell me why.
For 2 reasons, and I mean this genuinely. I took you through a very challenging obstacle. And first of all, we got down a very steep hill, very slippery steep hill. You felt that the vehicle actually ran away because it didn't have any grip.
Yeah, I just feel that.
Okay, and I actually thought you had clutched in, but you hadn't clutched. Well done. Over and get it out. You said, no, I've got this. And then
You left me in the car.
I left you in the car alone because I felt that you were well capable. Well done to you, girl.
If you want any off-road kind of training, driving, or just for the fun or whatever the case might be, please contact Afro Off-Road on their website and meet this lovely gentleman over here.
That's not.
So nou net soos jy kan uitkom. Om julle idee te gee, dit is ongelooflik ontspannend om per te ry. Ek het dit nie besef nie. Dit laat 'n mens bietjie rustiger voel oor die algemeen. Baie hoog gas, natuurlik. Right, so nou vir ons laaste amazing avontuur. Hulle sê dit is outomaties, ons gaan 'n bietjie quadbike. So dis nou vir my nogal flippin' adrenaline rush. En dan wil ek net vir julle sê tot dusver by Lion and Safari Park, dis regtig vir my ongelooflik amazing. Dis die moeite werd om na toe te kom. Dis die rit werd, dis die geld werd, dis die kos werd. Dis die pret werd. Ek beveel regtig hierdie aan vir enigiemand as jy 'n avontuur wil hê wat jou uit jou sokkies en skoene uitslaan met 'n klomp modder op jou lyf en alles, is hierdie die plek na toe. I'm going to revert into English, so it makes it easier. Okay. This is Tabatso, right?
Yes.
Right, so here we're with Tabatso. So he's just going to answer 1 or 2 questions of mine. So Tabatso, what is your experience on this whole journey for you this far? Would you recommend quad bike, Lion and Safari Park for general people and all the activities here?
Yes, with the quad bikes it's very different because when you do the quad bikes you see the animals, so that's very nice because of some of the places you just ride the quad bike without any animals, but here you see the wild animals. Sometimes if you are lucky you might see the lions through the fence, not going inside the lion camp, but you can see them through the fence. So,
I was wondering if you were going to pet them.
no, you can pet them, but once no coming back because they will eat you.
Oh yeah, so that's the first time and the last time you'll come here then.
Yes,
okay.
Yes.
And